Project management is the art of bringing ideas to life. It's the process of planning, organizing, and managing resources to achieve specific goals and objectives. In today's fast-paced business environment, understanding current project management trends is essential for success. The project landscape is constantly evolving, with new challenges and opportunities emerging all the time. To stay ahead of the curve, project managers must embrace innovation and adapt their strategies. This means staying informed about the latest trends and incorporating them into their practices. By understanding the forces shaping the future of project management, professionals can equip themselves with the tools and techniques needed to navigate the complexities of modern projects. This ensures projects are delivered efficiently, effectively, and on time. This essay will explore the key trends shaping the future of project management in 2024 and beyond. From agile methodologies and hybrid approaches to digital tools and remote team management, we'll delve into the strategies that are transforming the way projects are executed. We'll also look at the growing importance of stakeholder engagement, change management, data-driven decision-making, and sustainability in project management. By understanding these trends, project managers can position themselves for success in the ever-changing world of project delivery. The insights shared in this essay will provide a roadmap for navigating the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Let's embark on this journey of exploring the current and future trends shaping the dynamic landscape of project management. Agile methodologies have revolutionized project management in recent years. They provide a flexible and iterative approach to project delivery, enabling teams to respond quickly to changing requirements and deliver value incrementally. Agile emphasizes collaboration, continuous improvement, and customer satisfaction. At its core, Agile is about breaking down projects into smaller, manageable chunks called sprints. This allows teams to focus on delivering working software or tangible outputs in short cycles, typically 2 to 4 weeks. Each sprint involves planning, designing, building, testing, and reviewing the work, fostering a culture of constant feedback and adaptation. Agile methodologies have proven highly effective in software development and are increasingly being adopted in other industries. The benefits of Agile are numerous, including faster time to market, improved quality, increased flexibility, and enhanced team morale. By embracing Agile principles, project managers can create a more responsive and adaptable project environment, empowering their teams to deliver exceptional results. While Agile methodologies have gained immense popularity, traditional project management approaches still hold relevance in certain contexts. This has led to the rise of hybrid project management, where organizations combine elements of both Agile and traditional methods to create a tailored approach that best suits their specific needs. Hybrid project management recognizes that not all projects are created equal. Some projects may require the structured planning and control offered by traditional methods, such as Waterfall, while others may benefit from the flexibility and adaptability of Agile methodologies. A hybrid approach allows project managers to leverage the strengths of both methodologies, adapting their strategies based on the project's complexity, scope, and risk profile. For instance, a project might adopt a waterfall approach for the initial planning and design phase, where clear requirements and specifications are essential. Once the development phase begins, the project could transition to an Agile framework, allowing for iterative development and incorporating feedback from stakeholders along the way. This hybrid approach offers the best of both worlds, enabling project managers to effectively manage projects with varying levels of complexity and uncertainty. The digital revolution has transformed the project management landscape, providing project managers with a powerful arsenal of tools to enhance collaboration, streamline workflows, and improve decision-making. Digital project management tools encompass a wide range of software and online platforms designed to support various aspects of project execution. These tools include project planning and scheduling software, task management applications, communication and collaboration platforms, time tracking systems, resource management tools, and reporting and analytics dashboards. By leveraging these digital tools, project managers can automate tasks, centralize information, improve communication, and gain real-time visibility into project progress. Cloud-based project management platforms have become increasingly popular, offering accessibility and flexibility for teams working remotely or across multiple locations. These platforms enable seamless collaboration, document sharing, and real-time communication, breaking down barriers and fostering a more connected project environment. The adoption of digital tools is essential for modern project managers to stay organized, efficient, and informed in today's technology-driven world. The rise of remote work has become a defining feature of the modern workplace, and project management has had to adapt to this evolving landscape. Managing remote teams presents unique challenges, requiring project managers to foster a sense of community, maintain effective communication, and ensure team members feel connected and engaged. Clear communication channels are paramount in remote team management. Regular virtual meetings, instant messaging platforms, and project management software with built-in communication features are essential for facilitating seamless information flow and collaboration. Project managers must also be mindful of time zone differences, ensuring meetings are scheduled at times that are convenient for all team members. Building trust and rapport among remote team members is crucial for fostering a positive and productive work environment. Virtual team-building activities, regular check-ins, and opportunities for social interaction can help strengthen relationships and create a sense of camaraderie among team members. Project managers must also be proactive in addressing any challenges or conflicts that may arise in a remote work setting. Stakeholder engagement is a critical aspect of successful project management, and its importance has only grown in recent years. Stakeholder engagement is a critical aspect of successful project management, and its importance has only grown in recent years. Stakeholders are individuals or groups who have an interest in or are affected by the project. They can include project sponsors, customers, team members, suppliers, government agencies, and community members. Effective stakeholder engagement involves identifying all relevant stakeholders, understanding their expectations and concerns, and proactively communicating with them throughout the project lifecycle. Regular communication and updates keep stakeholders informed about project progress, address their queries, and foster a sense of transparency and trust. Engaging stakeholders early and often can help prevent misunderstandings, manage expectations, and mitigate risks. By actively seeking input from stakeholders and incorporating their feedback into project decisions, project managers can increase stakeholder satisfaction and build strong relationships that contribute to project success. Change is an inherent part of project management, and effectively managing change is essential for keeping projects on track and achieving desired outcomes. Change management encompasses the processes, tools, and techniques used to manage the people side of change, ensuring that transitions are smooth, disruptions are minimized, and stakeholder buy-in is secured. A well-defined change management process begins with identifying the need for change and assessing its potential impact on the project. This involves analyzing the scope of the change, evaluating its potential risks and benefits, and developing a comprehensive plan for implementing the change effectively. Communication is paramount throughout the change management process. Project managers must clearly communicate the reasons for the change, the benefits it will bring, and how it will be implemented. They should address stakeholder concerns, provide support and training, and create a culture where change is embraced as an opportunity for improvement. Effective change management helps minimize resistance, ensures a smooth transition, and maintains project momentum in the face of evolving circumstances. In today's data-rich environment, project managers have access to an unprecedented amount of information that can inform their decision-making. Data-driven decision-making involves using data analytics and insights to guide project choices, optimize resource allocation, manage risks, and improve overall project performance. Project management software and other digital tools play a key role in data collection and analysis. These tools can track project metrics, monitor progress, identify trends, and provide valuable insights into project performance. By leveraging data analytics, project managers can gain a deeper understanding of project dynamics, identify areas for improvement, and make informed decisions that drive efficiency and effectiveness. Data-driven decision-making helps project managers move beyond intuition and gut feeling to make objective assessments based on evidence and insights. This approach fosters a culture of accountability, transparency, and continuous improvement, empowering project managers to make strategic decisions that maximize project success. sustainability has become an increasingly important consideration in project management, reflecting a growing awareness of the environmental, social, and economic impacts of projects. Sustainable project management involves incorporating sustainability principles into all aspects of project planning and execution, minimizing negative impacts and maximizing positive contributions to society and the environment. This includes considering the environmental footprint of project activities, reducing waste and emissions, promoting resource efficiency, and supporting ethical labor practices. Sustainable project management also involves engaging with local communities, addressing social impacts, and contributing to the overall well-being of stakeholders. By embracing sustainability, project managers can enhance project outcomes, reduce risks, and create lasting value for both organizations and the wider community. Sustainable projects are often more cost-effective in the long run, as they minimize resource consumption, reduce waste, and enhance brand reputation. The field of project management is constantly evolving, with new methodologies, technologies, and best practices emerging all the time. Continuous learning is essential for project managers to stay abreast of these advancements and maintain their competitive edge. It involves actively seeking out opportunities to expand their knowledge, enhance their skills, and refine their approach to project delivery. Continuous learning can take many forms, including attending industry conferences, participating in workshops and training programs, reading relevant publications, and engaging in online communities of practice. Mentorship and peer-to-peer learning are also valuable avenues for knowledge sharing and professional growth. By embracing a mindset of continuous learning, project managers demonstrate a commitment to professional development and a willingness to adapt to the changing demands of the field. This ensures they remain equipped with the latest tools and techniques to navigate the complexities of modern project management and deliver exceptional results. In conclusion, the world of project management is in a constant state of flux, driven by technological advancements, evolving workplace dynamics, and a growing emphasis on sustainability and stakeholder engagement. The trends discussed in this essay underscore the importance of adaptability, continuous learning, and a willingness to embrace new approaches for project managers to thrive in this dynamic landscape. By understanding and incorporating these trends into their practices, project managers can position themselves for success in the ever-changing world of project delivery. From agile methodologies and hybrid approaches to digital tools and remote team management, the strategies outlined in this essay provide a roadmap for navigating the challenges and opportunities that lie ahead. Ultimately, the key to mastering modern project management lies in staying informed, embracing innovation, and continuously refining one's approach to project delivery. By doing so, project managers can ensure they remain at the forefront of their field, delivering exceptional results and creating lasting value for their organizations and stakeholders alike.